Hey guys, this is John from Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we have something special. We actually got some parts today. Customer brought this over to want us to clean them up and restore them. So in this box, I got a cylinder, a carburetor, I got a side cover, and an engine case. The customer wanted us to clean these and restore them kind of back to a pristine and shiny look. You can definitely tell that these parts are greasy and oily. So definitely gonna blast these in the Hydroblast parts washer. We're definitely gonna use the many of our vapor honing systems to glass bead and polish them up. So the first one we're definitely gonna do is we're gonna start with this engine case. And let's get started. So obviously this engine case is very greasy and oily. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the Hydroblast Max. This is a beast of a parts washer. The highest air pressure that this can have is over 4,000 PSI. And all it has is like water and detergent. I'm gonna put this part in this machine and we're gonna clean it up. Now let's see what it looks like. I'll tell you the truth, it looks a lot cleaner than it was before. And even touching it, I don't have any grease or oil on it. So, like I said, this is a beast of a parts washer. Like I said, it's only water and detergent. So if you guys are just interested in just, cleaning up your engine parts, not really concerning about vapor honing, just getting rid of all the grease and the grime, this and our regular Hydroblast would be perfect for you. But we're gonna continue. We're gonna do another step. We're gonna go and put this in a Weekend Warrior, which has glass bead, so we can polish it up and bring a shine to it. So let's get going. All right, now let's see what it looks like right now. It looks beautiful. Yeah, thanks to vapor honing and the mixture of glass bead and water, it looks very pristine, very shiny, kind of giving almost a uniform finish. But I'm not done yet. I gotta do one more step. If you notice in the back, there's these bearings. And right now I can't really move them because there's some abrasive inside of these bearings. So what I can do is that I'm gonna go back to the Hydroblast Max and try to clean and get rid of all the abrasive that's in these bearings. So let's do that right now. Now let's see if that worked. And if I try to move, yep, I can still hear it. I still hear the abrasive. I'll probably go back and do one more swipe, but as you can see, I can definitely move these bearings thanks to the Hydroblast Max with that 4,000 PSI. Like I said, this is a beast. So sometimes many of our customers that deal with engine cases or side covers that have bearings, typically they would want to, replace them and get rid of them. But again, like I said, the one problem about vapor blasting is obviously the abrasive. They can get into your internal components, especially these bearings. But we found out that using the parts washers, Hydroblast or Hydroblast Max, can easily clean up and get rid of all of those, that media or abrasive inside of these bearings or internal components. So I'm gonna do one more swipe and I'll dry this off and we'll see the final results. It looks fantastic. Going through, you've seen it before. It was greasy and oily and dirty. So we went through the Hydroblast Max, cleaned everything, cleaned off all the dirt and the grease and the grime. And then we went to the Weekend Warrior with glass bead, giving this like polish, shine to it, a very appealing aesthetic. And obviously, like I've said before, right behind, you got these bearings. Anytime you use abrasive through the wet blasting process, obviously it's going to get into those bearings. So all we sort of did was take it back into the Hydroblast Max, focus on those bearings, and as you can see, before you couldn't even move it, now you can, thanks to the Hydroblast Max. I'm still impressed by this process. It bears great results. So if you guys have any more questions about what we did today, you can call us at 828-202-5563. We also have a website, www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.